Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and click on the three dots from the top right corner. From the menu, click on Settings to open Chrome Settings. Now, from the left side, click on Privacy and Security. This section controls cookies, site data, and browsing history that can sometimes cause Cloudflare blocks. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. Here, make sure the box for browsing history is checked. You can also keep cookies and site data checked because Cloudflare often stores verification cookies that may cause issues. After that, click on More. Here, you can choose the time range. You can select 4 weeks, 7 weeks, or all time. Selecting all time works best if Cloudflare keeps blocking repeatedly. Then, click on Delete Data and wait a few seconds for Chrome to clear everything. Now close the Settings tab and open a new tab in Chrome. In the search bar, search for Cloudflare. Then, click on the first link. After that, click on Login if required. Complete the Cloudflare check such as CAPTCHA or browser verification. Once done, the site should open normally without Cloudflare blocking again. If it still shows issue, try disabling VPN or extensions temporarily and refreshing the page. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.